Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the first day of classes for my second year of college. I was gonna originally film a get ready with me, but I was already done with my skincare and outfit before I realized I had to film. So we're just gonna do a vlog today. I already have my outfit on, but we're gonna go ahead and do my makeup and my hair because I'm also filming a reel for my school social media group called Falcon Forest. So let's go ahead and get this makeup done. I might actually do my hair first because it's just gonna be a high pony, which is super simple. Okay, let's do it. Quickly do this makeup. I just finished my makeup. I need to leave like right now. I'm packing my bag. I'm still doing matcha, but I really don't have time, so I might have to do like a powder in bottle shake moment. Also bringing a jacket because I can't. Like we're getting very schoolgirl vibes. I'm at a traffic light right now. The first day of school and I'm so late. Like, okay guys, I'm in my car right now. Good news is it's 11:17. My class actually doesn't start until 11:30. So Wednesday I take my Japanese class and that one actually ends at 11:10. So I thought I had to be here at 11:10. It's actually 11:30, so we're in great timing actually. Bad news is it's absolutely pouring down and I have no umbrella. So I'm gonna have to run like a lunatic through the parking lot just to not mess up my hair and my face. I'm gonna sit here until like 11:20 to see if there's any other like spots that open up closer, which I think I see one. But that means I have more time to decompress and actually drink my matcha. I also don't have any food, so I'm gonna have to buy some food today. Not bad. It's actually kind of good. Wait a minute. I just don't really want my stomach to be growling in class because that's awkward. That's awkward. Okay, the rain has slowed down. Maybe I should go now. Let's get in there now, actually. It just started raining harder again. But I really need to get inside, so I'll just have to suffer for a moment.
I do have my jacket, so at least I'll have a hoodie on and I can just briskly walk. I don't know why people find it so embarrassing to have an umbrella. Like, I'm an umbrella girl, I just don't have one today, so I hope people don't think, oh, she's trying to be one of those girls and not bring her umbrella. Like, no babes, I need it. Oh, I left my pouch at home. No, I literally left my lip gloss at home. Oh well, today's just gonna be an interesting day. Let's just go inside.
Boy, if you don't get...
I look so stupid, guys. I look so... First day flop already? First day flop? Dang, it's raining harder than it was before. No. Maybe I'll just have to swim inside then. After a long day, I'm finally back in my car. My ponytail is down. But lifting for the first time in a year actually didn't go too bad, but I just can't feel my legs right now. I keep like stumbling places. I did a cool down on the treadmill. I literally stepped off and like almost like...
Boy, if you don't get...
You know what I mean? Like, I didn't completely like fall or trip, but my body just like went down. I haven't really eaten much today, definitely on my part, because I thought I was late this morning, so I didn't grab anything. So I'm actually really freaking hungry, but I did not want to skip the workout. And also look at my nails, they're short now. Isn't that so weird? I cut them and I painted them, and they are short now, and I'm so shook by it. Like, they're so little.
Are so sore and my stomach is growling, so let's make some food. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna make. I am starving now, so